Hi students, welcome. In this video, we will study about how to edit dimensions in AutoCAD. Students, before starting the video, I would like to request you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, please like this video, comment for this video and share this video with your friends. So students, as you can see here, a this is one of the diagram of the footstep bearing. As you can see here, this is the plan and this is the elevation, and here are the some dimensions we have given to the this drawing. Okay, here I'm here using dimension command. Now here again, this is a 40 mm dimension from this point to this point, as you can see here. And now I need to edit this dimension for some reason. So if you need to edit the dimension, you need to click on this dimension, double click with the mouse, so as like this, as you can see here. Then it comes in the editable form. Okay, so I'm now making this 40 dimension into 50 and pressing enter. Sorry, then click like this side. As you can see here, we have edited the dimension. So like that, we can also edit the radius dimension also by double clicking here. We can change this radius as R7. Okay, then clicks at side. We can also change the diameter of the particular circle. So I'm double clicking on this and now deleting this. And now we need to select the symbol for diameter. For that, I'm clicking on symbol tab. As you can see here, symbol tab has been appeared. From this, I am here selecting the symbol of diameter. As you can see here, this is the symbol of diameter. I'm selecting it. Okay, and after that, select, copying this. As you can see here, I have clicked on copy, minimizing this cut section and pasting here. Okay, as you can see here, the symbol has come, and I am now here changing the dimension of this circle as you can see here, 100. Okay, and clicking at side. As you can see here, we have changed the dimension of the circle also. So students, in this video we have understood about how to edit the dimension of the drawing. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.